If you are a first-time content creator, first-time entrepreneur, or business owner, and you wanted to maximize and build your online presence using social media or video content such as YouTube, then this video is for you. Hi, this is Shira and welcome to my channel, helping you create a fulfilling life and building your business. In this video, I'm going to share to you the tips and the step-by-step process on how you can create and start your YouTube channel in order for you to build awareness of your brand. First step is self-awareness. And self-awareness is the most essential part if you are building your brand, because this is not about your business, but it is about you who is owning the business and who is building your online presence using video content. And there's a very good research that 89% of video marketers have a good ROI, or return of investment, which is a very good way to understand that video converts you to good sales. Second step is purpose. And if you are a first-time entrepreneur or business owner, you need to imagine yourself that your company or your business is already successful and how successful looks like to you. And you need to understand what is your mission, what is your vision, what are the values that your brand represents. Knowing the core and purpose of your brand, it is easier for you to create content that is aligned with your branding. For example, in my YouTube channel, I talk about personal development and business tips. That's why you are here, especially if you are going through a rough patch and you wanted to grow your YouTube channel faster and seems like not everything that you expected is according to plan. That's why it's important to understand your mission, your vision, your core values, your pillars in order for you to anchor yourself, because YouTube is a very big platform, but it's never too late for you to start your YouTube in order for you to bring awareness of your brand. So be patient and be consistent in this platform, because you will reap the results in the process. The third is branding. So what do you mean by branding? Branding means giving the result to your customers. It means that you need to solve the problem, the concern, the pain points of your customers that allows them to remember what you offer. And that is your brand. In a graphic designer perspective, it involves color scheme, logo. In a psychology perspective, what feeling or emotions that you wanted to feel when your audience is watching your videos. You want them to be happy, to be motivated, to be calm, to be relaxed, to be pumped, whatever feeling or your emotions that you wanted to message to your audience. You have to clarify yourself which category you are, if you're going for entertainment or for information. For me, I wanted to be in information and educational content. That's why I'm creating how-to video. It's up to you regarding of the business that you are starting. Fourth is balance. It is important to understand that we business owners should allocate time in order for us to market and to create content, in order for people to build awareness of what our brand is all about. But also, you have to consider, you need to understand that you are not 24/7. Also, to maximize and understand your lifestyle on when you are creating your content in order for you to avoid burnout, because a lot of YouTuber or content creator that I've seen lately, or business owner who has experienced burnout because they're always pumping out content. You have to understand what works for you. If you can create content once a week, then that's good. If you can create 2 times or 3 times, it's up to you, as long as you live and learn to balance your life from your business and your life. I could remember the first time that I started creating YouTube videos, and there's someone that DM'd me through Instagram telling me it's rare to see Filipino people who talks about how-tos or educational video. That means I've learned that I've bridged the gap. And you need to understand as a business owner and entrepreneur that what gap you are bridging. It could be that your product is not yet known yet, or what are the benefits of your product. So it's important to understand what gap you are bridging in order for you to create a juicy content that people and your audience would love and will convert into customers and to become your true fans. So keep on watching your videos, consuming your videos, and understanding and bringing more awareness to your brand. It's important as a business owner and a first-time entrepreneur to really put yourself into public and to get out from your comfort zone, because you really need to let people be aware of who you are and what you can offer. And in order for you to build credibility, to know you, what you offer, and to like you, so they keep on coming back and watching your content, and to trust you, so you have a closing, you have sale. You need to build a know, like, and trust relationship with your audience in order for them to be your customers. Make sure to download my free online personal brand workbook in order for you to understand, to be more aware of your brand and the service that you offer. I hope you find this video valuable. Now it's your turn. What are the key lessons that you've learned or the tips that you wanted to apply in your business? Make sure to comment down below and I would love to reply to your comment. Or you can post your insights in your Instagram stories. Make sure to tag me at Shaira Belamia. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to check these other videos right here if you have not watched them, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!